I have a really cool tip this weekend in Dallas at the main event that I wanted to share it with you. You can easily add your 7K Metals link to your iPhone homepage. And the reason why this would be fun and really efficient is when you're out and about talking to people, you could easily say to them, hey, if I send you over a link to my website, will you watch the videos? And instead of giving your business card out to people, you can gather their information to make it easy for follow-up. So here's what I mean. I've already done it. I'll show you how it works in a minute, but all you have to do is click on your application and it's going to bring up your web page on 7K Metals. So all you have to do is click down here, this little button at the bottom, and then click message. Get their digits, add it right there, and then just click go. Now you have their phone number that you just texted them the link to your website to watch the videos, and now you're going to follow up with them later. Really cool, huh? So to do it, you go to Safari. You need to do it on Safari. It does not seem to work on Foxfire or Firefox or Google apps, just Safari. Once you get there, you're going to see the share button again. You're going to click the share button. This time, you're going to scroll to the bottom till you come to one that says Add to Home Screen. That's which one you click. You click the Add to Home Screen. And when it decides to work, there we go. Come on, baby. There we go, finally. It's going to bring up this page and you have an opportunity to rename it to whatever you want to name it, and then just hit add. And then it's going to take you to your home screen where you'll see it right there. Then you can move it anywhere you want. I actually created this screensaver so that I can have conversation openers as people go, wow, what's that? That's pretty. Whatever they say, it gives me an opportunity to talk to them a little bit about silver and gold. So just wanted to share that with you. Hope you find it helpful.